I'm taping this because it looks so strange, and I'm playing a bit of a program. So I'm gonna put the program on, and I've got things I'm doing. So I'm gonna play this and try to listen to the program at the same time.
CERN they didn't build the world's biggest, strongest, most powerful machine on the face of the planet with every country involved to simply recreate the moments after the Big Bang, because the Big Bang is a theory.
I just taped this look yesterday.
It's not real, and it doesn't even make
on
any sense.
Our so-called Earth.
One day there was nothing,
that round
and then nothing
housing kind of look, you know,
everything.
camera housing look.
Think about that. Say that to a child who hasn't yet been indoctrinated in kindergarten, preschool, first grade, whatever, and see what their answer is. And chances are, you're going to figure out what the answer is. At any rate, again, I digress.
Look at that.
CERN celebrates the work from our predecessors, naming various streets inside of CERN after scientists that have left their impact in the history of particle physics. So, for example, here we are in the street named Polly. So it's here. With this project based on Google Maps, the virtual visitor is guided from entrance B to restaurant 1, meeting the outstanding personalities from the past that are remembered by the street names, from different times and different places.
So, they're giving accolades, they're giving respect to people that came from the past, and that's fine. Everybody does that. If you build something, you always think of your predecessor or the person that inspired you. That's totally normal. But in a moment, they're going to take a real turn down Wacky Street, and they're basically going to explain to you what it exactly is they are doing, and they are breaking into other dimensions on a small scale. And what I've been warning you about since I started this channel is they're going to break into other dimensions on a large scale. And better yet, they're going to break into other dimensions. They're going to tear a hole in the veil between humanity and spirituality. They're going to use the D-Wave quantum computers that they have daisy-chained all over the planet Earth, or the plane Earth, because at this point that doesn't matter. And they're going to use the D-Wave to maintain. Think about it. It's like a high-speed highway that they're going to open up. And D-Wave's basically going to be the street lights. And they're going to, not only are they going to let other dimensional beings into our reality, they're going to give them physical life. That's what the transhumanist agenda is. That's what all the robots is. That's what all the AI is. That's what all of this is about. But again, I digress.
All related to particle physics as in a multi-dimensional puzzle. So hi there, I'm Wolfgang Pauli. I postulated the existence of the neutrino. Neutrino goes through the Atlas detector without being seen.
It goes through the Atlas detector without being seen. You just gotta take that on faith. Believe us, it really does. We can't see it, and neither can the detector, but it's there because, well, this handsome young lady just said so. So there's that.
So hi there, I'm Wolfgang Pauli. I postulated the existence of the neutrino. Neutrino goes through the Atlas detector without being seen. So there is several personalities like this. Oops. And etc. etc. So another project. This project has been done by Jeremy Nietzela, Natalia Karina Juska, Stephen Goldfarb, and Maria Dimou. Their idea was to create a visit of the CERN in 2017 by visitors from the future.
Did you catch that? Visitors from the future.
So they wrote a dialogue between us, the physicists from the future, and them, CERN worker from 2017.
Just a side note, it's amazing that the technology they claim they have, and this is the best animation they can come up with. Seriously, my dog can do better, but I digress.
So for example, welcome to CERN, are you here for a visit? Well, we've been here already. What year are we in? 2017. What kind of question is this? Is CERN a particle physics lab still? Yes, what did you expect? well, we finished with particle physics around 2165.
So, just this person speaking at CERN in front of all the CERN physicists, this tells you exactly what it really is that they are doing. They've said it enough times. I mean, I just can't possibly expand on this enough. They've explained what it is they are doing. They're using D-Wave to communicate with fallen angels that were here once before, that built the original Tower of Babel, that God came down and scattered everyone, because apparently people were overstepping their humanly bounds and building a tower or stairway to heaven. Now, if you think I'm just pulling that out of my ass, keep watching, because they will actually say exactly what I just said, except for the pulling it out of my ass part. But I digress.
What do you mean by that? We figured it all out, but you'll get there. So, show us an experiment. I suggest you go across the street to the globe and meet my friend who will show you Atlas. Okay, see you soon. And then we continue. So, we learn a lot of interesting things. And also that Alice discovered via their research in the gluon plasma the explanation of dark matter and dark energy. This is called the White Rabbit discovery, because it's Alice, that allows for reaching places through teleportation, so into the rabbit holes. The third project has been done by Heather Gray, Kitty Lay, and Anna Short.
Now, right here, she goes into how they built a memorial of sorts, a timeline from when CERN first allegedly